Good morning. We are rolling out of the campground this morning. Headed back to New Mexico. Yeah, we are got about a 4-hour and 45-minute drive. So that's more like a 6.5-hour day. Then we're gonna stop and eat. So that'll add an hour. So it's gonna be a full day. It's 7:25. Alright, so it's 7:25. So I think we did good by getting out of here by just a little bit after 7. Most of it's gonna be a travel day, but wanted to bring you along with us. We're gonna look for a car wash somewhere along the route and get that van washed. Get it cleaned up before it goes to its new home. Did I mention that it was 7:30? That's New Mexico time. Texas time, it's 8:30. But anyway, it really doesn't matter. We left early. I should be going by New Mexico time because we're going to be in New Mexico in just a few hours. So anyway, but it's really 8:30. I thought that was awful early, the way, because I fixed some breakfast. And anyway, all that to say, it really doesn't matter because we'll get there when we get there. We got all the time in the world. Gonna get a bath. The van's gonna get a bath. I'm getting a bath.
I just noticed you have a backup camera on there.
I don't know why. I don't know where the monitor is. Van's getting a bath.
Yeah.
Van doesn't have a name. Ooh, look how clean. Look how clean.
Welcome to New Mexico.
Woohoo! Welcome to New Mexico, Sammy. We're back in New Mexico. Yay! There's a Rosa's Cafe van.
I wonder why it's here.
I wonder. Maybe because we're at Rosa's. Oh, this is the drive-thru. Rosa's Cafeteria. Not cafeteria, cafe. It's not a cafeteria. Oops. Here we are, Rosa's. You just filming?
Filming you, filming me, filming us.
So you got a number 3 with double beans, and I got a number 3 with rice and beans.
And I got no caliente sauce.
No. And of course we gotta have chili con queso.
And flour tortillas,
Yeah.
homemade.
Homemade flour tortillas. Homemade in that little machine over there. We have made it to our destination here in New Mexico. And I'm just sitting in the van and wanted to end this video. It was a long 2 days. Took us about 6.5 hours each day to drive. And then get the van ready to roll yesterday. And then we drove to the RV park where we stayed overnight. And then today we got up and left. I said it was 7:30, but around 8:30 Texas time. Of course, we lost an hour coming into New Mexico, and just landed and am gonna go rest. Yeah, today was including, washing the van and all that. I mean, I don't even remember when we got here. But anyway, it was a long day. So tomorrow is a sleep-in day. And then I think we're going to go do some antiquing, shopping, and thrifting tomorrow. And so there'll be a day of that. So stay tuned for that video. I'll show some of that. There's a antique store I want to go to near here. So anyway, thanks for hanging with us, and I'll see y'all in the next video.